Okay, so question 3. Find the margin of error for a 90% confidence interval when the standard deviation is 50 and n is 25. So for your information, the equation for margin of error is critical value times the standard deviation over the square root of n. And your critical value is the 90% interval. So what we do to find that is we go to the applet and you shade only the middle. And in the area part, you put 0.90.
Okay.
And that gives you your critical value of 1.645.
So, what was I going to say?
So we have 1.645 times 50 over the square root of 25.
Okay. So, sorry, tell me the equation again. So the critical value
times standard deviation over the square root of n.
Okay, so the standard deviation is 50 over the square root of 25. Okay.
Yep. Well, he popped up again and then left again.
Wow, that's so weird. He's trying to get on. So when you're doing these, do you do like the 50 divided by square root of 25 and then times it to the 1.645?
I did the 1.645 times 50, which was 82.25. I did 82.25 over the square root of 25. So I just did the top first and then dealt with the square root after.
Okay. And that worked?
Yes.
I guess. So then...
Yeah, later that was one of my issues with one of these I was trying to figure out was my order of operations. So later it'll be important.
I'm like, ew. So then what did you get? 16.45?
Yep.
Okay. And is it okay if we don't round it to, I mean, it says 3 decimals, but there's only 2. So
right. So, yeah, just do 16.45.
All right. All right. Which of the following statements is true? Interval estimator.
It's the second one. X is your point estimator of U. So we'll see that later. We actually have to figure that out. But when you talk about point estimator, you're going to look at your computed X value.
Okay. Alrighty.
So number 5 is, what is the point estimator for the true GMAT score? So if you look up above, your computed X is 526. So that's your point estimator.
Oh, okay. So it's just 526.
Yep.
Okay. And then the margin of error for 95% confidence interval for the true GMAT score. What is it?
So you gotta put 0.95 into your applet.
Okay. Oops. I have too many tabs open. Okay.
So the same again, leave the middle shaded and put 0.95, and that'll give you 1.96.
And that's, wait, do we have to do the whole.
Yeah, you have to do the whole equation. That's just to get your critical value. So it's 1.96 times the standard deviation, which is 113, over your square root of n, and n is 64.
Okay. All right. Did you get 27.685?
Yep.
All right. 27.685. Okay. And then the lower limit.
Yes, so this is going to be a new equation. Okay, so when you're looking at lower and upper limit, so the equation is x for lower limit, it's
So
x.
is this like the lower limit of the confidence interval or the upper limit of the confidence interval?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Do you want to know the by hand formula? It's not hard.
Maybe. Wait, is it x minus z times standard deviation over the square root of n?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I got it. I know it. I just didn't really practice it very much. Okay, so we are.
So to get the right answer by hand for this, I did the 113 over square root of 64 first. And then I did 526 minus 1.96 times that number. And that led me to getting the right answer.
Okay. Hang on. Maxie said, yeah, he's on, but he's not seeing any motion. Do you see his picture on the video screen? Like on the.
Mm-hmm.
He says he's locked out. He must be locked out somehow.
Did that fix it?
No, now I just see a blank. Oh, he got off again. Huh.
I wonder why you were able to join, but he
Right.
wasn't.
Well, and obviously he's using the link because
I wonder if it's because we've started broadcasting, so he can't actively join in it now.
Oh, maybe. Do you want to stop the broadcast and then see if he can join and then start it again? Or would you have to, I mean, you might have to post 2 videos or something.
Yeah, we can do that. So I'll just have to start a new event, right?
I don't know. Just press stop and then see if he can join and press live again.